world chasing flawless, here's your reminder. The imperfections, the scars, the stories you carry, that's where your beauty lives. Take a deep, slow breath in and exhale softly. Let your whole being begin to settle. Allow your body to find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Feel the gentle weight of your body sinking into support. Let the muscles in your face soften. Your shoulders loosen. Your breath fall into a natural rhythm. With every inhale, feel yourself arriving. With every exhale, feel yourself releasing. There is nothing to prove here, nothing to strive for, just your presence, just your breath, just this moment. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Imagine a warm, golden light glowing there. Soft, steady, kind. This light does not demand perfection. It welcomes every part of you, even the parts you hide, even the pieces you think are unfinished or not enough. Let this light expand slowly, outward through your chest, across your ribs, down your arms, up into your throat and face. A light that whispers, you are allowed to be exactly as you are. As the light continues to spread, let it touch the places within you that carry old stories, places marked by ache, softened by time, shaped by life. Your imperfections are not flaws. They are inscriptions, evidence of where you've grown, where you've been softened, where your heart has learned to bend without breaking. Your scars, seen or unseen, are quiet proof of your courage. Proof that you have lived, felt deeply, and chosen to rise again. Let this truth settle into you like warm rain. There is beauty in your becoming. Picture in your mind's eye the simplicity of nature. Weathered wood shaped by years of sun and wind. imperfect, yet deeply beautiful. Cracked pottery, mended with gold. Its history becoming its art. A blossom opening fully, even though it will fall by evening. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing is flawless. And still, everything is breathtaking. Let nature remind you. You don't have to hold yourself together to be worthy. You don't have to shine brightly to matter. You don't have to be perfect to be loved. You are beautifully human. Messy, growing, hurting, healing, becoming. And that is enough. Take a slow breath into your belly and exhale through the mouth. Feel the calm that enters when you stop resisting yourself. Whisper softly in your mind, I embrace the parts of me I once tried to hide. I am allowed to be imperfect. I am allowed to be real. Let these words seep into the places still tender. Let your heart open gently to the idea that you are worthy, not someday, not later, but right now, in this breath. Now, draw your attention to gratitude. Not for the perfect things, but for the beautifully imperfect moments that shaped you. Bring to mind one moment where you felt broken, but eventually found strength. Offer gratitude for that strength. Bring to mind one person who stayed by you, even when you weren't at your best. Offer gratitude for that love. Bring to mind one part of yourself that you once judged, but are learning to soften into. Offer gratitude for that healing. Let gratitude move through you like a warm tide, filling the spaces where doubt once lived. Gratitude for the journey. Gratitude for the lessons. Gratitude for your resilience. gratitude for your imperfect, miraculous life. Place a hand on your heart. Feel its steady rhythm, a rhythm that has carried you through every chapter. Whisper gently, "My imperfections make me human. My scars make me strong. My story makes me beautiful." Take one final deep breath in. And as you exhale, let go of the pressure to be flawless. Carry this truth forward. You are a living expression of true beauty, a masterpiece shaped by time, softened by experience, and made beautiful by every imperfect detail. So hold your head high, bring out your brightest smile, enjoy as you are wonderfully, authentically you.